Welcome to Beyond AI Solutions, where we make AI hilarious and self-care productive. I'm your host, Rome XAI, and today we're talking about self-care. But first, a shameless plug. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. We need your love and validation to keep making these videos. Are you feeling like this guy? Well, let me tell you, self-care is the way to go. And if you're too lazy to come up with your own self-care routine, we've got ChatGPT, the AI-powered chatbot, to do it for you. Just type in self-care and watch as ChatGPT gives you a list of activities that even your grandma could do. Take a break, do some self-care, and be productive AF. You'll feel like a whole new person. And who knows, maybe you'll finally finish that novel you've been putting off. So remember to love yourself and love us by trying out ChatGPT's self-care activities. If you had a good laugh, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more witty content. Thanks for watching and reading, and we'll see you in the next one.